Hello everyone, this is Karen Dustin. Hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about lower back pain and constipation. So, if you like the video related to my health my way, I would like to request you all, please to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin, let's go. Lower back pain and constipation. If you are having trouble passing stool on a regular basis, you may have constipation. Constipation is defined as having fewer than 3 bowel movements per week. The blockage in your colon or rectum can cause a dull pain that extends from your abdomen to your lower back. Sometimes back pain caused by a tumor or infection could have constipation as a side effect. In other cases, lower back pain may not be related to constipation. Learning more about the causes of these conditions can help you determine if they are related. Now it comes to constipation causes. Constipation can be caused by numerous factors including your diet, physical activity and stress. Minor constipation is commonly traced back to diet. Common causes of constipation include lack of fiber in diet, pregnancy or hormonal changes, dehydration, spinal or brain injuries, low level of physical activity, stress, certain medication. Now, lower back pain. If the pain in your lower back is dull and you have constipation, it's possible that your back pain and constipation are related. The back cup of stool in your colon or rectum could be causing the discomfort in your back. If your back pain is more severe, it could be due to a condition related to your constipation, such as irritable bowel syndrome, spinal cord injury, Parkinson's disease, pinched nerve in the back, spinal tumor. If you are experiencing severe back pain, be sure to consult with your doctor. Now I'll be talking about the treatment. Treatment for constipation usually consists of dietary or lifestyle changes. You can also use laxatives or suppositories for a short-term treatment. Buy laxatives now. Here are some common lifestyle changes that can help relieve constipation. Add fiber to your diet. Whole grain breads and vegetables such as green beans, broccoli, and green peas will provide your body with the fiber it needs. Fiber will increase the ability of your stool to pass through your intestine. Increase water intake. Being dehydrated can contribute to your constipation. Dry stool can be hard to pass. Try to drink 64 ounces of water a day. Get regular exercise. Regular exercise will increase the use of your muscle. It also boosts activity in your intestine. If you have had a prior issues with exercising, consult your doctor before starting a workout regime. Keeping a schedule. If you try to use the bathroom around the same time every day, it increases the likelihood of your body having regular bowel movement. While you are treating the constipation, consider using over-the-counter pain medication and heating pad to relieve your back pain. If the constipation is successfully treated and the back pain remains, see your doctor about diagnosing the cause of your lower back discomfort. Now, when should you see your doctor? If your symptoms are severe or do not go away after home treatment, you should see a doctor. If you are experiencing any of the following, consult a doctor as soon as possible. Blood in your stool or around your rectum, sharp pain in your back, sharp pain in your abdomen, fever, vomiting, dull lower back pain can be a symptom of constipation. Increasing the amount of fiber in your diet and your water intake will most likely help with the constipation. Over-the-counter laxatives and painkillers can often relieve your symptoms. If you are experiencing extreme pain, blood in your stool, or other worrying symptoms, you should visit your doctor to discuss your symptoms. That's all about the back pain in this video. I hope you all liked it. I'll definitely come in the next video with my another content. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye and take care.